I'm now going to carry out the test for collimation in altitude, and to do so I've set the instrument up approximately 20 metres from a wall, and I've set the instrument up in face left with the vertical circle on the left hand side and the battery pack in this instrument on the right hand side. I'm now going to aim the instrument at the wall and then clamp the horizontal axis. I can now turn the instrument on, and when I do, the instrument will display the horizontal circle. By pressing the button, I can now display above it the vertical circle. I now need to get the vertical circle reading 90 degrees. When I'm close to it, I clamp the vertical circle and use the fine motion tangent screw to get a reading of 90 degrees. With the instrument set at 90 degrees on the vertical axis and in face left, I'm now going to get Jason to put a mark on the wall lining with the horizontal crosshair. Okay, Jason, if you can give me a mark, just up a little bit, a bit more, up about 10 mil. That's it there. Can you make a horizontal mark for me? Okay. Now I'm going to place the instrument in face right, plunge the telescope and set it at 270 degrees. Okay, with the instrument now set on 270 degrees in the vertical axis, I'm now going to get Jason to place another horizontal mark. Jason, for the second mark, yeah, just up a little bit. Well, that's it. Give me a mark there, please. For the instrument to be within an acceptable order of accuracy, we need these two marks to be no more than 10 millimetres apart. In this case, approximately 5 millimetres, so that is quite acceptable.